Instagram just added a new feature that can automatically scroll Reels for you. Here's how to turn on auto scroll on Instagram Reels in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Auto scroll lets Instagram automatically move to the next reel when the current one ends. No tapping, no swiping, completely hands-free. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. This feature won't appear on older versions. Open Instagram and tap the Reels tab at the bottom. While watching a reel, tap the three dots on the right side of the screen. Find the option labeled Auto Scroll. Tap the switch to turn it on. Once enabled, Instagram will automatically scroll to the next reel when the current video ends. This is perfect for browsing reels, hands-free, watching while eating, or just relaxing. If auto scroll doesn't appear, update Instagram again, or the feature may still be rolling out in your region. You can turn auto scroll off anytime by tapping the three dots again and disabling the switch. And that's it. That's how you enable auto scroll on Instagram Reels in 2026. Subscribe for more Instagram tips and new features.